Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about glomerulonephritis. Glomerulonephritis is a kidney condition that involves damage or inflammation to the glomeruli. It is a type of kidney disease in which the part of the kidneys that help filter waste and fluids from blood is damaged. Damage to the glomeruli causes blood and protein lost in the urine. Glomeruli, the main function of glomeruli is to filter off kidneys which filtrate the blood and make into urine. Types of glomerulonephritis. There are two types of glomerulonephritis, namely acute and then chronic. Acute condition, this kind of glomerulitis, in acute condition it begins suddenly, and then the chronic condition it develops gradually over several years. Next one is the main causes of glomerulonephritis. It includes streptococcal infection of throat and skin, hereditary diseases, immune diseases, diabetes, hypertension, vasculitis, that is inflammation of the blood vessel, and also viral infections like HIV, hepatitis B and C virus. And then pathology of the glomerulonephritis. So it is triggered by the immune mediated injury. So the glomerulonephritis is triggered by immune mediated injury. The cellular immune response contribute to the infiltration of glomeruli by circulating mononuclear inflammatory cells. This type of injury usually occurs as a consequence of activation and release of various inflammatory mediators. A few glomerular disease conditions are due to the hereditary defects resulting in deformity of glomerular basement membrane. And then signs and symptoms of glomerulonephritis. The most common symptoms are hematuria, that is urine excreted with blood. Proteinuria, the major symptom of glomerulonephritis is also proteinuria because proteins are lost in the urine. And then next one is another important symptoms of glomerulonephritis is foamy urine, and then swelling of face, eyes, feet, legs and abdomen. Hypertension, fluid retention, fatigue, less frequent urination than usual urination, and also abdominal pain. So these are all the major signs and symptoms of glomerulonephritis. The important symptom of glomerulonephritis is foamy urine. Next one is a diagnosis of glomerulonephritis. In this condition, to diagnose the glomerulonephritis, the first one is to scan the abdominal region. Another one is X-ray, urine analysis. In urine analysis, the first one is in urine analysis to determine the first one is clearance test. There are three types of clearance. One is urea, creatinine and inulin clearance. Another type of diagnosis is urine specific gravity. In this condition, to determine the specific gravity of the urine. Last one is total protein. And then next one is treatment. Treatment depends on the cause of disorder and type of severity of symptoms. Controlling high blood pressure is usually the most important part of treatment. Diuretics to reduce the fluid, administration of diuretics to reduce the fluid retention. Some of the medications are provided to suppress the immune function system. Strict salt and water intake, restriction of salt and then water intake. Next one is restricted intake of potassium, phosphate, magnesium and protein in diet. vitamin D is administered. Precautions. So glomerulonephritis starts slowly and build up gradually. Uh, Aim to do exercise for 30 minutes daily. Carry a small bottle filled with lemon water that will help to maintain the fluid balance of the body. Overeaten, joint and then bone problems. So these are all the some of the precautions of glomerulonephritis. Thank you.